This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Cala de Cierro. Just a few blocks from the water, in lovely Colonial place. This charmer, with its inviting front porch, private backyard, and dynamic interior is ready for your furniture. Open floor plan that is so incredibly appealing with the bamboo flooring downstairs and upstairs, amazing kitchen right in the heart of the home and plenty of natural light. Both bathrooms have their own very cool personalities. Huge master bedroom looks out on the backyard, which is perfect for gatherings, gardening and game night. 2 more ample-sized bedrooms are ready to be filled. Come on home and enjoy where you live. For more information, review the details below.